bed TV mount from CondoMounts. So this is CondoMounts' latest product, which is the bed TV mount with a laptop holder. Right. Last year we got some requests from our users telling about bedside TV mounts so that you could work and have a more valuable time on the bed. And here we have the bed TV mount with laptop holder. Right, this is CondoMounts' latest product, and it fits most 17-inch to 43-inch TVs. 43-inch TV right at your bed. Right, it's a very special product by CondoMounts, and today I'm gonna unbox this product with you guys. So let's check out this. Okay, it's a bit big. It's a big product by CondoMounts. It is now available at our website or even through Amazon. Right, so let me just open, and as you can see here, right, the first thing that you can see is this. This is the manual, right? So inside this manual you have all the instructions needed to mount this right at your bedroom. All right, so next there are a few things right here. Right, as you can see here, this is the main unit. Okay, fixed onto the wall or the wall or the drywall. All right, this product can be fixed right onto concrete wall, brick wall, or even drywall. It's not a problem. And as usual, CondoMounts makes sure the material, right, listen to this, the material is good material, it's gonna last really long. And next I'm gonna put this here and check out one by one. So firstly we have this. Okay, there are two VESA mounts for you to place on the bedside TV mount. All right, this is the first thing. And then next you have an arm, right, a full motion arm where you could mount your laptop, your monitors onto this arm. All right, this arm can be directly inserted to this unit right here. You could adjust the height of the arm. All right, place this here. And next, all the fittings, tools, this cute little wrench, screws, all right, washers, everything is given together with the product. And here you have the wall unit, the wall plugs. Right here you have, okay, this is a special thing by CondoMounts, right? You could actually place your remote control. You place this here and you place your remote controls in there. Right, next, let me open this box right here. Okay, what is in here? Okay, here you have the laptop stand. All right, you could place your laptop onto the stand, and this one could also be placed here. So now you could work while you're on bed. Right, place this here. And next you have another arm right here. Right, okay, yeah, this product right here is actually the real DIY product. Let me tell you why, guys. Let me tell you why. Right, yeah, here you have the mounting for this unit. Right, the mounting and all the fittings, right, all the fittings, the washers, the screws, and everything. Okay, this one is actually the mounting, the VESA mount that you could place right behind your TV. Right, so yeah, as I said, this is the real deal for DIY mounting. And do you know why I say this? Because this thing right here, right, this thing right here enables you to decide what you want to have on your the side of your bed. It's either you want to place maybe two monitors, you want to place because we have included these two arms right here for you to place two monitors, or even if you want to place your laptop, you could place your laptop right there. You want to mount two different monitors, you could do that. You want to place your remote control, you could have this. So CondoMounts lets you choose whatever you want. You could just do according to your preference, and you could do this very easily. You just need a drill to drill this onto your drywall right beside your bed or anywhere else. If you want to use this right near your workspace, you could do that also. So I'm going to show you how to fix this onto your bedside, onto a drywall, concrete wall on the next videos. Alright, do check out our video and click on the bell button so that you get updates on our latest videos on the modern technology of TV mounting. Right, see you guys on the next video.